Hi, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking about adjustment layers and why I love to use adjustment layers when I'm editing my videos. So the first thing you want to do is obviously add an adjustment layer. So to get an adjustment layer, just go into the new icon, or just go into the new item icon and just click on adjustment layer. So just click on OK, and there you go, you'll get this adjustment layer here. So to get that, just pull it down into your sequence. And as you can see, this adjustment layer has been applied, but because this adjustment layer has no effect on it, so it actually doesn't do anything. So this is just a blank adjustment layer. So you can tell that this is a blank adjustment layer because on this FX icon here, it's gray. So if there's any effects done onto it, it will actually change color. So for example, if I go into effects and I want to change the color of the footage below this, all I need to do is go to effects panel and search for color limitry or limitry colors. Get that and just drag into your adjustment layer. And as soon as I did that, as you can see, the FX icon here turns purple. So that means that there is now an effect on it. To get any effects of the clip, all I need to do now is just put an effect on it. So because I put in a limitry color here, I can change the color or any of the color grading, or any of the color effects I want on the footage below. Okay, so for example, in this footage, there's a video of myself in a bus, and as you can see, it's a little bit kind of neutral. There's not much happening. So I want to make the footage look a bit warm, or should I make it look cool so it looks like I'm in the snow? So of course I am in the snow in that footage. I make the footage look a little bit cooler so it matches the coldness of this area. So as you can see, the original footage looks like this without the adjustment layer, and with the adjustment layer there, it looks cooler. So I can toggle it off and on. So off, it looks like this, and on, it looks just cooler. So the cool thing about adjustment layer is it pretty much just affects everything that's under this, anything that's under this adjustment layer. So if I pull this adjustment layer all the way across to the other clip will also look warmer. So this is what it looks like without anything on top, and this is what it looks like with the adjustment layer on top of it. So the good thing about adjustment layer is once you apply a color onto a clip, right, you don't have to copy and paste this effect onto every single clip over it. All I need to do now is just put the effect onto one adjustment layer and just drag it along. And I can have this go along 3 clips and they will all look warmer. So for example, right here, this one, there you go, it's off. And when it's on, it looks cooler. So off, it looks warmer. So most of the time, I only use adjustment layer to color correct and adjust anything. There are other ways you can use adjustment layers for transitions and for other things, but those are a little bit more advanced. So if you guys want me to show you how I use them for transitions, let me know in the comments below. But otherwise, this video is just about color correcting with this and what I use it for. Because this is a layer, you can actually make it come in and out. So for example, you can actually make this swipe in and out. So have you seen those videos where people show you the color of the LUT moving in and out of a video and what it looks like when it's in or out, or with or without, and you see the footage swipe in and out? So you can do that same here. So if I pull this out, you can see that, there you go. So here we go, the video without the footage, as you can see. Let's pull it out over here somewhere. So without footage, without its footage without the color correction, maybe it's too fast. There you go. So without a color correction, there you go. See, you can see that change and gradually going back and say yes without and with and without. So other things you can do with adjustment layers are like adding grains and other specs and stuff like that onto it. So for example, I just added a dust. So you can put in effects with dust and without dust, or grains and all that stuff. But all this stuff is just, you can add noises to it, and it will only affect anything that's under this effect or under this adjustment. So you can see I can add grains into this. Anyways, if you need any help with editing videos, let me know in a comment below, and I will try to respond to you as soon as I can. Peace.